Hello guys, welcome back. In today's very video here we have a C300, that's W204 Mercedes. Was called this very car here that the car will not crank or start. The electrician say he have checked all the fuses, but still it won't crank or start. Then when I came here, I look at the cluster gauge and it gives a very simple message that is very shocking to anyone who is not very conversant with Mercedes. And that's their security system saying, please take your key. You should remove your key from the ignition. So the essence of me making this very video here is not actually to provide you a solution, but to prevent it. Most of you who might have come across this video might save yourself from this impending problem that's going to take a lot from your wallet. So in order to avoid this very problem, whenever you're trying to park anytime, do straighten your steering before removing the key from the ignition lock. That is what most Mercedes owners don't know. They value the car, but they really don't know the aesthetics that are there in the security system. This is actually the anti-theft or security anti-theft system. So you can see the tire is not straight.